Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be making a stock analysis of Aerovironment. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember this isn't financial advice. This is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Now, what do they make? Well, they make drones, both surveillance systems and loitering munition systems. And loitering munition systems is drones with grenade straps with them, or some that are able to drop them and return back. Now let's take a look at the stock in a broader timeline. As you can see right here, each of these candles represents a day. As you can see, all the way back to 2015, it was trading at 20 bucks, and currently it is trading at 236. It is quite expensive, but so is a lot of defense stocks recently. Of course, ever since Ukraine got invaded by Russia, it has exploded, and this is no exception. Now let me just make this graph normal again. And as you can see, it has exploded quite a lot recently, as back in April, it was trading at 100, and what is that right here? 107 bucks. That was also because, as you can see here, they missed two earnings by 37% and by 37% again. And then today, with the highest earnings estimate, as you can see right here, they beat that by 16%. So not only were they expecting to make more money, but they beat it, which of course is a reason why it is exploding today. Now it was in a positive trend already, as you can see here, and this only makes it better. So it has just been performing quite nicely, gaining over 100% since April. Now the stock is very expensive at the moment, with a price to earnings of 163, which is quite expensive. Which means this is trading at 163 times what it's earning, and its EPS is only at 163. So of course it is very expensive at the moment, a lot more expensive than those tech stocks, which some people think is overvalued. So be quite careful with stocks like this. Now the beta on this stock is 136, which means it is a bit more volatile than the index it lies in. Now, as you can see currently in the RSI, we have been trading quite volatilely in this, as you can see. As you can see currently over this last period, we've been upwards quite a lot, as you can see here. Now, if you don't know what the RSI is, that it means if you're above 50, but below 70, you're trading upwards, as you can see right here. If you're below 50 and above 30, you're trading downwards, as you can see here. And what I mean by it's been volatile, by that I mean we see some periods where we're trading up quite a lot and then down quite a lot. So it's quite volatile in that regard. Now today we are, as you can see, in overbought territory. As you can see, we're up here over almost 90, which means the stock is overbought at the moment. That does mean, of course, it can increase more, but currently it is overbought. And we're currently also lying on a last top, as you can see right here. So if we don't, as you can see, we even broke through it, but if we fall through back down here, it's not that great. And the next line support level we have is right around here. So if we fall below 190 again, chances are it's going to fall a bit more unless it stabilizes around here. As you can see right here how they make their money. Let me just remove these one which isn't informed about. As you can see, UN crewed systems, that is surveillance, and then we have loitering munition systems, which is the drones I talked about, which are able to carry bombs or just fly directly into the target and explode. So that is the one they're making money on, and as you can see, it has increased quite a lot recently, which of course is nice because if we look at the war in Ukraine, a lot of drones is going to be needed in the future wars because it's going to save soldiers' lives, at least the ones who have the most drones. Now, as you can see down here, the seasonals on this stock, let me just go back to 2007. As you can see, most years it performs quite nicely, but we also see some years with quite poor results. But overall, it's just performing quite nicely. As you can see, we had last year with 24% up. This year we're up by 49%, and as you can see, 23 also up by 50%, and 22 as well. So overall, it has been quite a lot of nice years recently, which is great to see. And then we had some years which are outliers, like 2017, where we gained 108%. Now the technicals on this stock, as you can see for the day, it's a strong buy, which shouldn't surprise you. And for the month, it is a strong buy as well. And that's of course because just look at this amazing trending line here. As you can see, it is performing absolutely incredible. So very, very nice to see. Now the analyst rating on this, as you can see currently, even though we have 6 strong buys and 1 buy, it is averaged down. That's because it has exploded so much recently, and analysts hasn't had a chance to reiterate their analyses, or they just are keeping stick and don't want to reiterate them because they don't think the stock should be worth this much, which I would get. But then again, drones is the future of war, so it wouldn't surprise me if it by the end of the year it is by up in 260, 270. Now I don't own it stock at the moment, and the reason for that is its price to earnings is simply way too high for me, so I won't invest in this until I see some better results. Now the annual earning on this is quite nice. As you can see, it is increasing more and more and more and more, which is lovely to see, and it does surprise me at all because, as I said, drones are going to be the future. Now the annual earning on this, as you can see as well, it's just increasing more and more and more. Now 2028, they are reducing it a bit, but overall it's just increasing more and more, which is lovely, lovely to see. And it wouldn't surprise me if they started paying out dividends because a lot of defense companies do. And as you can see, currently they don't do that at all. Thanks for watching. That was my video on Aerovironment. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to leave the companies in the comment section below which one to analyze. Thanks for watching.